Hi, my name is Allison and I'm a student here at SPU. Today I will be giving you 2 apartment tours, one being the Wesley Dravus apartment. Let's go. This apartment offers 1, 2, 3, and 4 bedroom options. This unit in particular has 4 bedrooms. Let's go see what one looks like. This room comes furnished with a bed, a desk, a dresser, and a spacious closet. This kitchen is very spacious. It comes with an oven, a microwave, a fridge, and a dishwasher. Apartments are all furnished with kitchens, utilities are included in the rent, and they are all open during holiday breaks. The living room is really what makes this place a home, and it comes fully furnished. This is the view from the apartment, and it's only about a 4-minute walk to the heart of campus. This unit comes with 2 bathrooms, both which are pretty spacious. Here are the 35 West Cremona apartments located right on campus. Here is the second apartment. Come on in. The living room comes with a couple couches, a table, and open windows for lots of light. The kitchen offers an electric stove, an oven, and a large refrigerator. Here is the bedroom. Come on in. The room offers 3 beds for 3 people, 3 dressers, and is very spacious. All the campus apartments and houses are managed by SPU staff, and there are activities to help you get to know your neighbors. You can find housing options at the Housing and Residence Life website. These apartments are for upperclassmen only. Thanks for tagging along.